I sat with drink in evening air, privileged in my easy chair, content within my stupor there, to witness life without a care. And from a tree that blossomed near, a songbird sang a tune so clear, I turned my head to better hear. Her winsome song fell on my ear. And in this hour of peace and ease, as I enjoyed the summer breeze, I sprang upright with quick unease. I felt it crawl upon my knees. I swiped my leg with open hand, a mighty blow that few withstand. I turned to see the creature land. I saw him struggle in the sand. A carpenter ant, to my surprise, a big black ant with big black eyes. And as I watched him normalize, I made a plan for his demise. And so I lifted up my shoe, I poised it there, my anger grew. And all that there was left to do was turn him to a pile of goo. But just before I squashed him flat, I thought, how cruel to die like that, as his was not to wage combat, just passing through, no harm in that. So I chose to spare his life that day, and he looked at me as if to say, I'm happy that you let me stay, and he smiled and headed on his way. But just as he had turned around, the songbird charged without a sound and plucked that ant right off the ground, and from her perch she gulped him down.